Hey there! VS Code has a useful feature that keeps your search history across sessions. It applies to workspace searches, editor searches, keyboard shortcuts searches, and maybe other areas as well that I'm not currently aware of. The search history persistence means your search queries are saved and automatically available even after you close and reopen VS Code, making revisiting previous queries easier. In this video, I will show you how the search history persistence works, the difference between workspace search history and editor search history, and how to disable the latter. Let's get started. The search history is saved on a per workspace basis. This is great because it ensures that the search history from a project doesn't interfere with searches from another project. As an example, I opened two projects, VS Code and Storage. As you can see, the search history from one project doesn't appear in the other. To open the Workspace Search widget, press Ctrl-Shift-F or Command-Shift-F on macOS. And to open the Editor Search widget, press Ctrl-F or Command-F on macOS. Then you can use the up and down arrow keys to browse the search history. You can do the same in the Replace section of the Workspace and Editor Search widget. It's important to note that the Workspace Search and the Editor Search maintain separate histories. The history from your Workspace Search will not appear in the Editor Search history, and vice versa. This distinction ensures that you can keep both types of searches organized independently. If you'd want to disable the search history persistence feature, you can only do this for editor searches, not for workspace searches. Unfortunately, I haven't found a way to turn off this feature for workspace searches. If you know the setting for it, please leave a comment below. To disable the editor search history persistence, press Ctrl and comma or Command comma on macOS to open the settings. Or you can go to File, Preferences, and then Settings. And in here, search for editor.find.history, and then from this drop-down menu, select the Never option. And now if we close and reopen VS Code, we can notice that the Find widget no longer has our history. You can also directly modify your settings.json file by adding the following line: editor.find.history and set the value of never. That's it. Now your editor search history will be cleared across sessions, and hopefully you've got a good handle on how the Persist search history works in VS Code. If you enjoyed this video, consider checking out the other VS Code tutorials on this channel. Wishing you a wonderful day, and I look forward to catching you in the next one.